Oh, I gotta make this a quick one. It's about, I don't know, 11 degrees out or some nonsense like that. That is not smoke. That is just because it's fucking freezing out. 79 lowrider, original paint. Went right through this one, whole engine apart, split the cases, honed the cylinders, re-ringed it, took all the valves out, relapped them. All the brakes, all the lights, everything works. But it's full of a service as you could possibly do, considering the engine and training cases were both taken apart. Tack works perfect, speedo works perfect. Bike has 7,500 original miles on it. Just a real nice bike that sat for a long time. Some little, you know, imperfections in the paint here and there, but it is, you know, 40 years old or some shit. Runs great. Total cream puff. For sale. And it won't last long.